Hey, what's up guys, Varkut here, and in today's video I'll be showing how you can turn off Google Ads automatically created assets. So if you don't know Google create automatically assets in your account, or maybe you don't know how to turn off all of these things, so in today's video I'll be covering these topics. And I know that people waste lots of money in Google Ads, because they don't know how to turn off all of these things. So let me share my screen and I will show you how you can turn off the Google Ads automatically created assets. So to turn off Google Ads automatically created assets, you just need to log in your Google Ad account first. So see, here is the Google Ad account. Once you land on this Google Ad account dashboards, just need to make sure that you are selecting on the account level. I mean, you are not selecting any campaign. So on the overview page, you can see the assets and click on the assets. And I don't have any assets here because this is a pretty new account I created recently to record some videos. That's why I don't have any assets here, but I believe you will have some assets here. So you just need to click on this more three dot, click on more and click on the account level automated assets. And I believe you will not see anything here as well, but let me show you how you can find all of the automated assets. Click on the more three dot one more time and click on the advanced setting, and here we go. See, there are lots of automated account level assets which Google will eventually create it once I set up some campaigns. So you just need to make sure that you are turning off all of them if it's not make sense to your business. Let's say dynamic site links. I don't want to add any dynamic site links because when we run a campaign we will add 4 site links on the account level or maybe on the campaign level, which works for us. So I just need to turn off these ones. So just click on the off and select region should be, let's say you want to retain more control, and hit save. And same thing for the dynamic call out, because I don't want Google to show some dynamic call out from my website or from my landing page, because if I do so there would be not that control which I want, because I will use some call out extensions when I set up a campaign or maybe when I run a campaign. So I will obviously turn off this one as well and select, probably I will just click on the I want more retain control kind of things, hit save. And same thing for all of these. I think I don't need to explain all of this one, but let me show you how to turn all of these real quick. And seller rating, if you want to show the reviews from your GMB profile, or maybe if it's e-commerce, so if you just want to show some reviews, I think you can turn on maybe, but I am not interested to turn on right now, so I will turn off this for sure. And hit save. And longer headline, no, I don't want it for sure. And automated apps, of course I will turn off this one and hit save. And automated locations, here is the thing. So automated locations, I will turn on this one. I will not turn off this, but I will uncheck this one, because see, if I just check this, Google will show some images from my GMB profile, if I link my GMB profile with my Google Ads account. So I will always uncheck this one and I will just turn on this one, because it's automated locations. Let's say you are running any ad for a service based company and people are searching from their home or something like this, and they want to see actually how far your company is, then I think it will help us, or it will help them to see actually how far you are from their locations. So that's why I always turn on this one, but I always uncheck this one because I don't want to show any random images from my Google My Business profile. So I always uncheck this one. So and I hit save. And dynamic business name, of course I will turn off, because I will use a business name once I set up a campaign. Same thing for the logo, I will turn off for sure and just hit save. And you are all set. We just turn off all of the account level automated assets, and I believe you could save some money by doing all of these things. So if you really like this tips and tricks video, feel free to press the like button of this video and feel free to subscribe this channels, and you can share this video, this kind of tips and tricks video with your friends, or maybe who wants to learn Google Ads. So if you don't know, I recently launched a Google Ad course in this channel. You can have a look on my Google Ad course, and I believe if you watch this Google Ad course from lesson 1 to lesson 9, I would say you don't have any questions regarding the Google Ad campaigns, especially for the local service based campaign, because the course was based on the local service business, like how you can generate leads for your local business. So I hope you will enjoy the course as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and if you want this kind of tips and tricks video in near future, feel free to comment below as well, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.